The overall goal of this procedure is to develop a soil tank apparatus and associated protocol to experimentally study the effects of atmospheric forcings on evaporation. This is accomplished by first constructing a two-dimensional bench-scale soil tank. The second step is to construct a climate-controlled wind tunnel apparatus that interfaces with the soil tank. Next, the wind tunnel and soil tank are instrumented with various sensor technologies used to measure soil moisture, temperature, relative humidity, and wind speed. The final step is to pack the soil tank with soil and water, determine the desired atmospheric forcings, and start the experiment. Ultimately, this experimental apparatus can be used to generate data under well-controlled boundary conditions, allowing for better control and gathering of accurate data at scales of interest not feasible in the field.
The main advantage of this procedure over existing methods is that it allows for the generation of precision data sets that can be used to validate numerical models and study the interdependency of soil properties and processes. Data available from field sites are often incomplete and costly to obtain, and the degree of control needed to obtain an understanding of processes and to generate data for model validation could be considered inadequate. This procedure allows atmospheric conditions like temperature, relative humidity, wind speed, and soil conditions to be carefully controlled.
Though this method can provide insight into evaporation as demonstrated here, it can also be applied to other issues that require an understanding of land-atmospheric interactions, such as